gonna wear an iron suit. This time she's gonna fix her heart and make it bulletproof. He says he's gonna take a bite from the forbidden fruit. She says never, never bite more than you can chew. But this time he's not gonna be another could've been. This time she's gonna get real, love the skin she's in. He says a winner never quit, quitters never win. She said this time that she just built to face anything. This time he's gonna stand for who he is. This time she's gonna live to work, she's not working to live. He says just because you say it's true, it don't mean it is. She said it seems too good to be true, well then it probably is. This time he's hell-bent, yeah he's heaven bound. This time she's gonna pick herself up, mama breaking down. He says he's gonna turn the wheel, turn the shit around. She says if he's looking for love, she don't wanna be found, no.
You shoot across the sky like a broken arrow. It's so hard to keep yourself on the straight and narrow. When you shoot across the sky like a broken arrow, it's all gold.
Yeah, when you hit the ground, it's hard to get to heaven when you're born hellbound. This time he's gonna make it through the aftermath. This time she's gonna raise her head and choose the righteous path. He said one day we will look back and it will make us laugh. She said better to have and not need than to need and not have. No matter what the cost, it's better to have loved than lost. Have you ever met a man who never loved at all? Yeah, the higher the odds, the bigger they fall. You have to choose something cause you can't have it all. No, he's not gonna be the last to the finish line. She said think figures, even losers get lucky sometimes. He says it's gonna get better like a fine wine. She said it's hard to smell the roses when the sun don't shine. This time he's gonna find another way. This time she's gonna take it to the good old days with no airs of grace.